Hello guys, in this video I'm going to cover how to test any normal power supply, computer power supply. It's also called ATX power supply, just with paper clip. Before you start, make sure it's not plugged in, and you need to find there's a bunch of wire, but you need to find only plug look like this. It could be 20 pin or 24 pin, and you need to find the green wire. Actually here it's like about 1 2 3 4, it's fourth pin. You need to stick your paper clip in this one, and then next there's 3 wire black. You can stick to any black wire. After you put the paper clip inside, you're gonna plug in the power cable. The fan is running, so that's when the power supply is good and working. Thank you for watching.